What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. This is a Nike outlet find, obviously. Again, another pair of Air Jordan 1s. Two of the same shoe, to be honest. So I'm just going to throw this up here as a background. I'm going to open up the size 13 version of these. I'm sure you know what they are by the thumbnail. Some Flyknit 1s. Flyknit 1s are cool in my opinion, especially when you don't pay full retail for them. Pretty fire sneakers if you ask me. Let's go ahead and bring them out. This is obviously not my favorite colorway, I'll be honest with you, but I do respect them a lot as sneakers, you know. Got that 1985 right here. They smell amazing. The interior leather on these is off the chain, as you can see. If you've never tried on a pair of these, I strongly suggest doing so. It does take a while to throw these on at first, but once you have them on, you really appreciate them for what they are, and they look great. Let's cut to a shot of them on foot now. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.